slang as I shoot my shit, and I flaunt my gift, leaving another stiff. It's me, the D, yeah, the Compton thug. I get down like mud when I'm high off bud. Little Sally Walker, jocking from a saucer. Sally wanted dick, so the gangsters quick to toss her. Niggas wasn't knowing gangster Dre's just kinda low. Always out for mo-hoes, so put the lock on your hoes. When I come around, I get around Tupac, but you jock the same little hoes that the crew got. Then you get mad when you found out I dug her, cause that's about the same time you realize you love her. Nigga, who the bitch is? You the bitch, I guess. If you knew the bitch, you know how to do the bitch. Screw the bitch and send the hooker on the way. Something like I did my bitch Jessie May. The Compton thug, getting loved by many, but I'm hated by masses, so fuck they asses. Niggas say they men and they large, but they so alone. Bitches got niggas putting chrome till they don't. Going out asshole, motherfucking backwards to kill the frustration. Why don't you just blast her? But no, you's a sucker, stupid motherfucker. You better let a bitch drive you dead to the gutter. Down goes another nigga, down goes another nigga, down goes another sucker. Down goes another nigga, down goes another nigga, down goes another sucker. Down goes another nigga, down goes another nigga, down goes another sucker. Down goes another nigga, down goes another nigga, down goes a motherfucking sucker.
Niggas wanna fight me over that bitch. Not knowing the bitch is a trick and she be all up on my dick. But yeah, he still loves her. This is any hustle, one in a squad, but your homie over a bitch, now that's a buster. You better recognize and realize the fucking facts. When some shit kick, who's gonna watch your back? Your homie, all that bitch, no, that bitch is gonna break. Leave